Da kajing trai lang ban ajing sumar bapaka ik bapang bampong ne cancer Meghalaya ka Sorkar jila ringkat kajing trai lang bat ka Apollo Telemedicine Networking Foundation ATNF kala penlong ye ka Meghalaya Cancer Conclave arjar posau hapok kapang close the care cap hakane ka conclave ka baat sngi kala penlong hakunyat Mariat Shillong hakasngi nengkong lapanyat da kementeri ka koi ka kya kong amprin lingdo da bawan rak lang ya baro ki badon benta ki bakentup ya ki oncologist cancer researchers scholars ki seng tremons ngabha ki head officer bat ki nong mikmat na kilat pathai kubor kajing temu jong kane ka conclave kalong banyatai halor ki but trekam ki banweng ye ki jing e hakabaya day ba kajing ajing sumar ye kajing pang bampong habaya kren ha kajing alang kum ka kongsan ka doktor mezel ampren lingdo kala benjur halor kajing don kam bantai kloy ka kam kajing don kam ketki ye ki riu shampang pantre ye ki kam shalendet jong ki jing Ïatehlok bat ban pentre kam ye ki seng jam ki bayarap Kila banjur ya kajing don kam jong kajing pentikna ka koi ka kya lingba kajing stang ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS bat kala banjur halor kajing don kam kila jingeda pa kajing lap kloi ha kajing pang bampong kadba usampat kumar ubalong principal secretary Department of Health and Family Welfare ka Sorkar jela ula banjur ya kajing don kam bandon ya kilat ajing sumar ki bobiang Ya ka Meghalaya Cancer Care or Megcan Care Project Lapli House Nem Arjar Pulai da umentirang ba ka jelau kondat ke sangma. Ha ka jinga lang bat ka Apollo Telemedicine Foundation and World Economic Forum. Kebapen ya ka jingshim jingkit klik ka Sorkar ban kmi ban lap dang kloy ya ka Jingpang. Ha ka nga program la donru na ki katto katne ki bala ai ki jingkren ki bala sakhi bakila yo jingkot adin bakila yo ya ki jing sumar. Hakan dengan program layak kejingkren na ke Dr. Anisha Maulong HOD Radiation Oncology Department Civil Hospital Shillong Ïatehlok Jingpang kejing yak linti kejela ban sumar ban Ïakhun ya ke Jingpang Bampong. Hakan dengan program na kalian kementeri kalasam yaki mobile endoscopy units kum shibenta na ke Meghalaya Mission Cancer Prevention but early detection but kalapli ya ke promotional video hakabaya day but ke first cancer care project. Kiwegi bala ai jingkren kilong ujoram beda Commissioner and Secretary Department of Health and Family Welfare Professor Nalin Mehta Director Nigrims but Dr. K Ganapathy Nalor Kiwe.
Me 2 years to actually be cancer free, and today while I was sitting out there I was touched by the song from the oncology department of civil where they sung that we will fight this fight. And I was able to fight cancer. I was able to go through the black and the blues and heal from the scars due to the support of family members, due to proper counseling, due to timely screening, and also very kind words from doctors. And I wanted to also stress upon, or rather tell you a story, that while I was in Bombay, in Tata Memorial, I remember getting a phone call from Madam Ambry. And she's someone I do not know, but she asked, what can Meghalaya do for you? Can we help in one way or the other? I think these kind words from a person in authority and a person who would like to take cancer as something which needs to be addressed in our state gives me a lot of hope. And even kind words from doctors. My first doctor was Dr. Shanta Thakur from Woodland, where she told me that, cancer is curable. I remember when I heard the first word malignant, I was so scared. I thought I would die. Because that's something which we all think, that cancer is something where people will just die. And we do not talk about it because we think it's taboo. But when doctors give us an assurance that this is curable, all you need to do is get yourself treated. And I went and got myself treated in the best hospital in India. And I do wish that through this conclave, we will talk about, Meghalaya being a destination to have cancer treated. Why can't Shillong be a hub where cancer can be treated? I hope that from this conclave, we will stress and talk about these issues and also talk about financial support, also talk about counseling. And from this conclave, we get to see Meghalaya as one of the hubs where cancer is a word that does not exist anymore. So with these words, I would like to say thank you. And thank you so much, Compats. I think it is from your article where I got the opportunity to be invited here, and also to talk about my journey. Thank you once again.
Ba play ula ai por i ula ai ka tinang ka start na i ba yani kum ki pa ki bang ira do ka tin kermen ba bangin sampai perkacu bangin dan yo lang bang ya sa bang ka ba kun jongi ndrai da ka tin kemen munta lang ba ka tin ya jungi sakmat ni ka ban ka sumar wat lang ha ni kong ngai don ka tin ting ki air ma ban ka sumar ndrai ha ka tin Hagajing sitom ke baju ni bensen ya sakmat hendring mentang yo hagajing kemen hapren hagajing jauh umat hagajing pai kemen sim ke anwat ukun mentang dap hagajing kemen ke bakrau ke ban ngamdon telet ngamdon ngamlak ban batai su ya kata hagajing bhai hagajing segun ke jong Malaysia bala bu ya kita di doktor ni di banang bastad unjuk ori kinas ki staff bar etang kuntai ngai ku play ya bar ya negatif baju dia Mengide bentuk sekarang ada dan mana kibapang di bawah ini penting ini bentuk ini benyak dia kacing semar boleh sibuk.
That have been sent to the different MSs of the different institutions of our government, we will have a review. And this 1 month, we would like to talk about cancer, talk about the difficulties of cancer, see what we can do for cancer. We don't believe in a one-day observation of the International Day Against Cancer. 4th February is gone, like I said. We want to build. We want to see what can be done. And you've seen how Madam Dr. Anisha Maulong has been going from one district to the other. So we are now trying to engage, because it's not a Shillong-centric threat. It is a disease that is enveloping very quickly and is affecting more households in the state of Meghalaya today.